Hey guys, it's Anthony from Just Keep It Fresh. Recently, we've actually joined 2 workshops to help us refresh some of our memories in polishing and ceramic coating. And I don't know how that sounds. We didn't forget how to do that. We just thought we just wanted a quick refresher. Everyone who works at Just Keep It Fresh are all professionals and they already know what they're doing, but we thought, why not get a perspective from another person, from Gyeon, Australia themselves. And what we've done is exactly that. We went to a Brisbane studio, we've learned from the Gyeon boys from Brisbane, and we've actually went down to Sydney as well during the Echo holiday. Echo's holiday, why not take the whole team down to Sydney, have some fun, but also learn about what is actually in that little bottle of ceramic coating. So we're not just applying it for you, now we know what it actually does for your car. Not just me, but every single one of us know that. And this whole entire video is about that trip. And you can see what we've done. Thank you, Frank, and thank you, Mike. Thank you, Fernando, for having this organized for us. Let's get straight to the video.
Hi. What's wrong, Joe?
Too hot?
Too hot?
The weather is
Too dry. Open the elbow.
1,200.
1,200. Wow. It's just like the way it sticks out.
Hello guys, my name is Fernando from Complete Car Protection. Today we are in Sydney at Complete Car Protection with the Just Keep It Fresh team, which is Gyeon training about all the coatings, including leather coating, base type 1 and base type 2, the top coating, everything related to protection. And so the team did pretty well. We covered 2 cars, a Discovery and this Nissan Leaf. So we could work on different protections and also different application techniques. They were pretty well, so all professional guys just working on your car, guys. So thank you very much for you to come, and then if you have any questions, please just let me know. We are more than happy to help you out. Thank you and see you next time.
Hey guys, what an amazing video. the experience in Sydney was absolutely unbeatable. I just wanted to say that from day one to the last day, we've learned so much, and the whole entire purpose of going to Sydney was to re-inform and re-educate ourselves on what these things are. Every time we do something on a daily basis, it's just like a sequence, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And sometimes when you do something in a sequence, you do forget, the roots and the basics of why and the fundamentals of why this needs to be done. And going to Sydney actually helped us refresh our memories on why these needs to get done. And we also learned so much so that we can educate ourselves and better inform our customers what we do, which is to detail, protect, and maintain your vehicle. So that's the exact reason why we went to Sydney this time. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.